Sonic Alert SBJ525ss Sonic Bomb Junior Alarm Clock with Super Shaker Bed Vibrator is an economical wake-up solution for the guy or girl on a budget that needs something extra to get out of bed. Designed to provide years of use, this quality-made alarm clock offers peace of mind for those who are hard of hearing or simply hard to wake. The Sonic Bomb Junior offers many features, such as our 102 decibel extra loud alarm with adjustable tone and volume control, built-in red flashing alert light, USB charging port, a 5-level dimmer function to help you sleep sounder, the 6-volt Super Shaker bed vibrating unit to wake you silently while others sleep, dual time 12 and 24-hour time formats, user selectable snooze time from 1 to 30 minutes, user selectable alarm duration from 1 to 59 minutes, alarm and bed shaker test mode to test functions anytime, improved battery backup for time and alarm settings up to 1 week. New green power technology uses 60% less energy. 1-year Sonic Alert blast-proof warranty. Sleep well with the confidence of knowing you will wake up on time.